landed!
We just landed! Welcome to Samar! Akon minayoyo nga probinsyahan Samar.
Wow! It's our second time here together. And we landed 20 minutes in advance.
Yeah. Dayon ka mo sa Kalbayog. Mopay nga aga. Ayungit na.
Hoping nga gabi sa atin ito na. This time, we're not ending tonight's celebration without acknowledging two of our important guests. A proud Matuginaw nun, dindarani ang ngaran sa Matuginaw, Samar ug sa Pilipinas, sa iya pag-ungay sa Mr. International nga nakuha niya ang ika-top 6 pinaagi sa suporta niyo nga tanan. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite upstage Justine Carl on Mr. International Philippines Ambassador 2024.
Maupay ang gabi yung atunan, mga bugto ko, didihang Matuginaw, brothers and sisters ng Matuginaw, Samar. Damo nga salamat ang iyo pagkadi pag-celebrar ng kapatronan, especially ating hinigugmaon ng Mayor Lolo Aran. And siya pa may Vice Mayor Lolo Aran, kanahan mo sa gabinang members, client members. Damo nga salamat ang inyong pagkadi hapon, pag-share niyo tayo, celebrate ini nga kapatronan, kaupunan natin mga ginayuyog hapon yung mga tao dito hapon Matuginaw. Damo sa mga pagkatiyan. Sir, thank you so much for inviting me.
Okay, stay at the stage. Justine, another celebrity attended to us with us tonight. Of course, she's not just someone, but is somebody who was the heart for the environment. She is the queen of our environment, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Earth Philippines 2022.
Alright, maupay na ako ang Matuginaw. Enjoy kita sa atong Bacanato Payaran 2025. Juan Torre. Enjoy kita, kaya kita nakakalimot. Tapos tayo sa Tumandarino.
Kuya! Yan!
Mag-vlog ka lang muna.
Kamusta?
Ayos lang.
Tagi ko na niya. Ang bata, tagi.
Ganda.
Donara yun na. Wala yun na. Katawa na. Signer! Kuya! Ano? Dali ka na! Kuya Iman! Vlogger! Sainay! Ay, siyan! Siyan! The judges of hairdress. Headdress.
Pamilya, most
Alright, so we just finished judging the headdress competition sa Matuguinaw Samar. Had so much fun. Saw the creativity of Matuguinaonons. Kudos to all the LGU sectors of Matuguinaw. Let's go. Kilig-kilig si Margarita. Kilig-kilig si Margarita. Kilig-kilig si Margarita.
754.
Iba kayo mo sa'yo, yun to. Iba. Kaya Kalib.
Hi guys. Please like and share.
Ikaw, nag-promote ni mo ano, event and chuchu. Mr. C.
Mr. C Creations.
Creation.
Just be happy. Because if you are happy and you just clap your hands. Thank you.
This is it.
Uy, ayaw anay, gadi pa.
Hi! Malamang. Uy, hi vlog. Nag-edit ako. Nag-edit ako.
Buti ba ko dito?
For the videographer. Kapit. Phone day. Ouch. Sakit. Ganda. No picture, no picture. for the PA. Mga personal assistant. Margarita. Nana, sinala. Outfit check.
Kalapit Tahiran 2025. I'm so pleased the best of Matuginaw. Mabuhay ang Matuginaw. Mabuhay.
Ulat na yun. So guys,
Humay sa bura, nalabangay sa panantang. Please welcome the pride of Matuginaw, a true-blooded son of this land who has captivated the country and shown brightly on the international arena, Mr. Pilipinas Ambassador 2024 and Mr. International Finalist, the Dibundar, Mr. Justin Crow, fellas all!
They not like us. 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 One Kaurusa. One people, one sama.
And we just finished the event, the fashion show event here in Matuginaw, Samar. I've been wanting to participate in the festival activities here in Matuginaw for quite some time now. And I'm so happy that I did this year. And sinama ko din si Jenny with me, and I hope you had fun.
I had a great time. We had all-day activities starting at 5 a.m. for our parade.
Yeah, nagigising kami ng madaling araw to prepare. Jenny's been wearing makeup all day. Me too, of course, kasi we did the parade. But we had so much fun, and I'm so grateful for this moment that I'm here in my hometown with my loves.
Mama Mary!
Anyways, I hope you guys will enjoy this video because we really did enjoy this whole Matuginaw trip.
Happy Fiesta! And like and subscribe.
By the way, thank you so much LGU Matuginaw for having us, to Sir Laloy, to of course Mayor Aran, Vice Mayor Effie Belonio. Damo nga salamat, and to all the SB members. Damo nga salamat for having us. Sobrang saya ko na nakabalik ako nga diha Matuginaw. Outro! Boom!